In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track depreciation in QuickBooks Online. Depreciation is how you spread the cost of a long-term asset, like equipment or a vehicle, over its useful life. Instead of recording the full cost as an expense all at once, you record a portion each period. In QuickBooks Online, this is usually done with a journal entry, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so your books stay accurate and up to date. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to the left-hand navigation menu. At the top, you'll see the button labeled New with a plus sign next to it. Click that. This is where you can create all kinds of transactions. From the options that appear, choose Journal Entry. This opens a new journal entry screen where you'll be entering the details of your depreciation. On the first line of the journal entry, click into the Account field. From the drop-down list, select your accumulated depreciation account. This is a contra asset account that reduces the value of the related fixed asset on your balance sheet. Once you've selected the correct accumulated depreciation account, move over to the credits column on that same line. Enter the depreciation amount you want to record for this period. This should be the amount calculated by you or your accountant based on the asset's cost, useful life, and method of depreciation. Make sure you're entering it in the credits column, not debits, because accumulated depreciation increases with a credit. Next, move to the second line of the journal entry. In the account field here, select your depreciation expense account. This is an expense account that will appear on your profit and loss statement. In the debits column on this second line, enter the exact same amount you just entered as a credit on the first line. By doing this, you're increasing your depreciation expense and increasing accumulated depreciation by the same amount, which keeps the entry balanced. Before you save the entry, take a moment to fill in the memo field at the bottom. This is optional, but very helpful for future reference. You might write something like depreciation for 2025, or include the specific asset name and period. Clear memos make it much easier to understand what the entry was for when you or your accountant review the books later. Once everything looks correct, including the date, the accounts, the debit and credit amounts, and the memo, click Save. Your depreciation is now properly recorded in QuickBooks Online.